Alrighty, here's a quick and greasy one for you. So someone gave me this camp chair because it's busted, and when you sit on it, one of the legs pokes up through your butt like that. So I think I can fix this with an old milk jug and a piece of cloth. So let me see what I can do. Alright, so I have a couple options here. We have a beer for me, antacids for after the beer, and we have a sweet tea jug because it doesn't smell like spoiled milk. So I think that corner right there looks awfully similar in geometry to this. So we're just gonna cut that out and see. Alrighty, so there she is. Just got it jammed up in there and it works great. Ain't poking through. I'm just gonna run a roll of tape on there and that should be good. Alright, there's the Gorilla tape laid in there. Alrighty, so I just kind of have the Gorilla tape run through the plastic down inside of there, and then I've got it wrapped around the leg, and it's now nice and in there good. And if we put it like this and we romp on it, that is not as solid as one would probably want, but pretty dang good. It'll hold up a butt, at least for now. Anyway, hope this video helps you. I don't think it did, but you know what they say. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, Tom out.